If you've approved a bill in Approval Max but it's still showing as pending approval in NetSuite, here's why and how to fix it. When a bill is approved in Approval Max, it's automatically sent to NetSuite in the pending approval status. This happens even if not all approvers have approved it yet. So, what can you do? Check the approval status in Approval Max. If one of the approvers hasn't signed off yet, use the nudge feature to send them a reminder. They'll get an email prompt, and you can nudge once every 24 hours. When everyone has approved, the bill is updated in NetSuite. The status will change to approved, and it'll be ready for payment. You'll know it's gone through when the status in the top right shows approved in green. You see the Open in NetSuite button on the bill. The audit report is attached, showing the full approval trail. And in the audit trail, you'll see this message. All approvals for the request are now collected and the request is closed. That's it. A quick check and a nudge if needed, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching.